and then it's got like 10 levels of brightness. Let's go all the way up. Now we're back up to the brightest. Very cool. That's so cool looking. Love it. What's going on, everyone? Today we're continuing along with our garage workspace makeover. You know, when I moved into this place, this garage was a blank slate. I mean, plain concrete floors, white walls, that was it. We've done so much to try to transform this space, make it a little bit nicer in here to work in, and also nicer for filming. We added the flooring and the wall mounts for the bikes and all the cabinetry and the stonework and the tool benches and everything. But one of the coolest things that I added were those. I have two 5x8 banks of Hyperlite hexagon lights, and they make it so much brighter in here. It's fantastic. I've got it all hooked up on a little switch right now. So this is a garage without the lights. I got my ring light on, and then this is with. It just makes it total daylight in here. So love the hexagon lights, but Hyperlite reached out to me again and said they have a new product. They are now doing custom neon signs and asked if they could send me a sign. So absolutely. I sent them my logo, had them design a custom sign for me because you know I had to get my name and lights. Here it is. Let's turn it on. There you go. Let me give you some close-ups on this baby. All right, here's the close-up on the custom neon sign from Hyperlite. Very cool, very bright. It's on the brightest setting right now. Let me turn the overhead lights off. There you go, and then we can adjust the brightness. There's a little switch here. Let me turn it down. So where's the dimmest? That's the dimmest right there. And then it's got like 10 levels of brightness. Let's go all the way up. Now we're back up to the brightest. Very cool. That's so cool looking. I love it. All right, let me get some lights back on so you can see how this is set up, how it works. Plug everything back in here. And I'm going to turn them off. I got my switch mounted right here, hiding. So I'm going to turn them off for a sec so you can see. It's not a, what I'd call a traditional neon sign with glass tubes. It's all basically acrylic. They're LEDs coated in acrylic. And this is just a flat, black acrylic background that everything's mounted to. And then it's mounted to the wall. They give you all the hardware where you can either hang it or you can mount it straight to the wall. I chose to mount it right to the wall. It's really easy to do. You just basically hold up the sign against the wall and you mark the different holes, the mounting holes. Then you put in your drywall anchors and your drywall screws. You mount the base, the metal base pieces first, and then there's a screw that just goes through the sign and screws into the bases. So it's got 6 mounting holes, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. It's up there pretty sturdy, and it doesn't weigh a whole lot anyway. But it was really easy to get it mounted up there. It probably only took me like 5 minutes to get this thing on the wall. I'll give you some more close-ups on it so you can see how this stuff works. It's basically like LED rope light, miniature little rope lights that are all connected together. And it's custom. So, I mean, I sent them, this is exactly what I sent them. This is part of my logo. And, they can do a custom sign for you. You don't have to use a specific font or anything like that. And they can do text and also images. Now, as far as color, I got just the plain blue color. But you can get multicolor, any color or multicolor, which in hindsight, thinking back on it, I was like, man, I probably should have ordered the multicolor sign because then I could have, they give you a remote with it. Everybody's seen LED strip lights where you get the little remote to pick the color you want or to flash between colors. Same thing. They'll send you a remote that you would be able to select which color you want. So I probably should have got that, but I got the single solid blue color. That's kind of my color I use for my logo. So I like it like this. I probably won't change it anyway. So I decided just to go a single color. It'd probably cost more if you got multicolor. It also costs more too if you would get this as an outdoor sign. This is indoor only. If you get an outdoor one that's more waterproof, they put an extra like coating over it for waterproofing. And I believe that ups the price a little bit. This one for the indoor sign, wall mounted in a single color is roughly like 260 bucks. And it got here pretty quick. I mean, you send them what you want as the design and they'll do a mock-up and show you, basically what it's going to look like before they start making it. And once you say, yep, I approve, go ahead and build it. From that point, the production time, the shipping time, it's about 10 days before you have it in your hand. Now this sign right here is about 5 inches tall and about 31 inches in length. And they tell me that there's no size limits. You can basically go as big as you want, but keep in mind that's probably going to affect your price a lot. And then powering it you can see this little tiny thin clear wire right here. There's about 7 feet of this really thin wire, very easy to hide. I just have the rest of it kind of bunched up underneath here, and then the power button is right here, so I can turn off and on easily from right there. And then of course it's got a like AC/DC adapter, a black box type thing that plugs into the wall. So you should be able to easily reach an outlet. And I like how they use this really thin wire here that's easy to hide. The way it doesn't, detract from the sign any, but really, really cool looking sign. All right, well, I think a very cool addition to the workshop. I'm gonna enjoy having this in the background of a lot of my videos. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you have any questions on it too, just drop those in the comments. I'll do my best to answer if I can. Hyperlite neon lights, I'll link it below. If I just gave you a whole bunch of ideas for the type of sign that you'd put in your workshop, that's all for today. Thanks.